Hey everyone, this is Professor Guy at Middlesex College, CSC161, Intro to Java. One of my students, John, asked about access to Pearson Revel, and so um, I just posted an announcement that you can follow that link and see if it works out for you, and you can see if you're having issues, you can reach out to Revel Student Resources um, with that link, that support link. So that took care of, that was the first thing we covered this evening in office hours. And now we're looking at homework one. Another student, another peer of yours, Krupa, is asking about question. First, the instructions, I'm going to edit them, and you just need to submit one Java file or one zip file with a Java file or multiple Java files. Okay. And now we're on number one, and Group was just wondering what uh number one is saying to do. And I'm gonna ask Krupa, do you know what I mean by data type?
Yes, I know that.
Okay, so yeah, do you know four different data types?
Yes.
Okay, so it would be like my name, let me open up Sublime. So homework one, 161, office hours. So um yeah. So you know how to declare variables, right? In Java,
Yes.
in
Yes.
my age, right? So
Yes.
yeah, that's all that for that. And then remember to use proper variable naming convention, like camel case. Yep. So
Oh,
camel case being right when you have a new word in the variable name, you capitalize it.
yes.
Okay, does that answer your question?
Yes.
Great. Okay. Do you have another question?
It. I also like had about the book, but now I got in the book. It worked for me.
The accessing the book worked for you?
Yes, I just put in my Excel code. It worked for me.
Awesome. Okay, great. And now we have another student, Baha. Do you have a question?
Yeah, I have a question about I saw you said we have to download JDK. I downloaded JDK 23 because that was just the latest one. Are we gonna use 17 or 21 or like which one are we gonna use?
That's fine. Yeah, Java version 23 is fine.
Okay, and also about the textbook, I thought I do I need to to buy the Pearson course or is it just if I have the textbook, is that enough?
That's what I need. Thank you. So let me I have to run that by my supervisor. So yeah, do we need to purchase the actual course or just have access to the book, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Because this is my first time teaching this course. So I'm gonna get that answer for you soon.
Okay.
Okay. Does anyone have any like Java content questions, like how a loop works or the conditional statements or variables, data types, the syntax using semicolons at the end of lines? Any question? While loops. Yep.
Oh. I do have one. The
Okay.
reason I asked about which JDK is because I heard and like I think it was 20, they removed how you had to put like public void static main, and instead you could just put void main. Is that true?
I have not seen void main, but that could be true. Yeah, I've always seen public static void main. But that's something to look into.
Okay.
Yeah, you could follow up with, you could write an email to me, like do a Google search and see.
Yeah, I'll check it out.
Okay. Yeah, any like Java content questions?
I don't.
Okay, sure. Then since there's only three of you, we could take up some time just like getting to know each other. Um, like please, yeah, so who came first? Krupa came first. So we'll do it in order, then Baha, then John. Krupa, like what's your major? Um, and do you know like your kind of like future plans? Um, yeah.
My major is computer science. My name is Krupa Patel, and my major is computer science. And future plans are like after like when I transfer from this college to like a four-year university, I want to like do like my career in like IT.
Great. Do you want to write code or do you want to work more in the hardware department?
More into like the hardware department.
Okay, great. Thanks for sharing. I know you're going to get a lot out of this Java course.
Thank you.
Yeah. Baha, do you want to share your major, maybe like what programming languages you know, if any, and what your future plans are?
Yeah, I'm Baha. My major is computer science. Um, I've like used a bunch of different codes, like very little. Like I use Java a little bit. Python I know the best, and then C++. Plus plus. I was just playing around in the Unity engine. My future plan is hopefully I can get a job at NBC Universal because my sister works there as a product manager. I'm hoping I could do the same thing. And yeah, that's what I'm looking forward to.
That's great. Did you say you wanted to be like a software developer at NBC Universal or any sort of role?
I'm right now I know like product management, like that's what I was looking forward to, but if if a job comes along in like a gaming brand, right, to be a software engineer, I think I'll take that too.
Okay, great. Yeah, it's good to know what you might want to do, what might interest you. Okay, thanks. And it's cool that you said you dabbled in other languages. That's nice. Okay, John, yeah, please, your major, your future goals, and if you know any languages at this point in your career.
Yeah, my name is John. I am a computer science transfer major, and sorry, 2 seconds. I currently am an IT professional, a certified IT professional. I work primarily in the hardware side, and my goals are to move into the software. Um, Currently, my idea is to get into cloud, and yeah, my software skills are not up to par, and I have severely neglected them, but I've taken a C++ Intro to Computer Science in high school. I've messed around with Python probably 5, 6 years ago, and then now taking this course.
Okay, great. Thanks, John. That's really exciting to hear that you're currently employed and in the tech field, IT specifically. That's great. Um, yeah, that makes sense. Right. I was thinking like while you guys are sharing, it's like the professor, should probably share the background, his background. So yeah, I'm Paul. Paul, you can call me Professor Paul, and I have been a software engineer in industry, so you have that, that in your back pocket. Like it's somebody who's, grinded it out, 9 to 5 in this type of software engineer role. And I do not have a degree in computer science, but I picked it up taking a few courses through a remote college after I graduated with my undergraduate degree. And I was able to get my first role in tech, and that was really cool. So it's really like what you can show. Main point would be it's really what you can show in the interview process, how much you know, not only how much you know, but how you explain concepts is just such a big deal. And that's really the deal breaker for a lot of companies is somebody not just who can code, but who can explain what's going on. So I got that break. And then ever since that role, I've been in tech roles pretty much like data analyst, working with like SQL, and databases. And I've taught software engineering. And now like I'm pretty settled, like I'm teaching computer science at multiple colleges right now. So really excited. So I am always open to Zoom one-on-ones if anyone wants to meet one-on-one on Zoom. Emails, please. I'm always answering emails, so please reach out whenever you need help. And that's a good summary. And then I'm going to do my best to look into that question from Baha that was left open-ended. So I will take care of that. Does anyone else have anything they want to say, or can we end at this point?
Just to kind of piggyback on that, the coursework or the course, whatever it is with Pearson, would you be expecting to have additional assignments on that? Or are you just expecting, as of right now, just assignments on Canvas?
Right now, just expecting the Canvas assignments, and then we're gonna see what the the chair says about Revel as it's considered a part of the course. Yeah.
Gotcha. Thank you.
I also have I'm trying to look into internships right now. I was just having a question if you have any advice on how to like improve my coding at like a cheap price if there's like courses, so that I can try to do well on the assessments.
Okay, so my best advice there is to just focus on this course. I let you know my background, and I've been teaching for a while, and I get a lot of positive feedback. All you need to do, Baha, is just strap in to this course and you know focus your concentration here, and you're going to learn a lot. Even just having access to the textbook, even just, when you have free time, because, here we are in the fall semester, when you have free time, you should try to think like, okay, let me open up that Java textbook and pick up something that I wasn't understanding before. So I hope you get the message that this course, we're gonna accomplish a lot this semester.
Okay, yeah, okay, sounds great.
Yeah, yeah. Great. Thanks for attending tonight, and I will post this video, and I hope you all have a wonderful evening.
Thank you, Professor. You as well.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good evening.
Bye.